Are you looking to transform your WordPress website and give your readers a next-level interactive reading experience? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a free, real 3D flipbook PDF viewer for your WordPress site in 2024. By the end of this video, you'll have a stunning, clickable flipbook embedded right on your pages, perfect for ebooks, magazines, portfolios, or even product catalogs. Let's dive right in and get started. First, let's add the magic ingredient, a flipbook plugin. From your WordPress dashboard, head over to the Plugins menu on the left and click Add New. In the search bar, just type in 3D flipbook or PDF flipbook. You'll see some popular free options pop up, like Real 3D Flipbook Lite or DearFlip, also known as DFlip. These plugins are widely used and consistently updated, so you're in safe hands. Once you spot one you like, click Install Now. After a brief moment while WordPress processes that request, hit Activate. Don't worry if this step takes a few beats. Sometimes plugins need just a moment to get set up behind the scenes. Next, it's time to bring your flipbook to life. Look at your WordPress sidebar. The plugin has added its own menu, like Real 3D Flipbook or DFlip Books. Click into that section and then click Add New to begin your first flipbook project. First, give your flipbook a title so you can find it easily later. Think Summer Catalog 2024 or My Portfolio Flipbook. Then choose your source. Most people upload a PDF file, which is great for dense documents, but you can also use a series of images if your content is mostly visual. Just select and upload. If your PDF is a little large, don't be surprised if it takes a few moments to process. Now for the fun part, customizing the settings to give your readers the exact experience you want. You'll see options for view mode. Choose between eye-catching 3D, which mimics a physical book, and the classic 2D look. Want to add a flip sound for that satisfying real book feel? Go ahead and turn that on. You can even adjust the camera angle to set the perfect mood. In the toolbar settings, you can enable features like bookmarks and search, which makes navigation easier for longer documents. Does your audience want to download or print pages? Switch those options on or off with just a click. Pay close attention to the single versus double page view. Single page mode tends to look best on mobile devices, while double page is perfect for tablets or desktops. Once you're happy with your flipbook, let's get it published and onto your site. When you hit Publish inside the plugin, you'll receive a shortcode, something that looks like dflipid equals 123. This tag is your key to embedding the flipbook anywhere you like. Simply copy it, head to any post, page, or even a widget in your WordPress editor, and paste that code into the content area. If you're editing with Gutenberg or the classic editor, it works exactly the same way. Finally, click Update or Publish on your post or page. View the page from the front end, and just like that, you'll see your new flipbook live. Pages turning with a smooth 3D animation, interactive tools right in the toolbar, and your readers able to flip through your document just like holding a physical book. It's a powerful way to present information and truly engage your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any trouble or have questions about customizing your flipbook further. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.